Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Eddie Harvey here from TradeWithEd.com. Hey, guys, I'm inside IM Academy. Coming to you guys again. I want to share with you just an inside look at another one of IM's products. And this is, guys, one of the old school OG products inside of IM. IM has 12 products, guys. This was the second product. Okay, I've talked about the first, which is a harmonic scanner. The second one, guys, this is swipe trades. This is copy and paste trade setups that you receive for Forex, okay? Through the app, where this is the first copy and paste product that IM had. And it's from a team of different educators and traders that send out live trade setups directly to your phone. So what I'm going to do here really quickly, show you all the inside of it really quick. Let me go to the products though, and just because really inside of here, guys, this is all app based for the most part, but just to give you a little more rundown on swipe trades. So you come here, you see apps. I'm going to click on swipe trades. Swipe trades app for your phone that illustrates live trade ideas and designated entry and risk parameters. So if you look at swipe trades, guys, it's available not only for iPhone but also for Android. With swipe trade, intraday trading style, average number of trades is 40 to 50 per week. They keep the educators private, guys, and the language is in English, so it's about 4 hours a week of total time. What makes this product unique is that the risk is calculated for you along with the proper value for entry, stop loss, and take profit. What features does the product include? Notification alerts directly on your smartphone for new trade ideas and a copy button to copy and paste values into your MetaTrader 4. So as you can see, let me switch gears here. I'm going to open up my QuickTime player so I can show you what it looks like with swipe trades. All right. So let me let this open up. We'll hear a new movie recording. All right. So as you can see up here, swipe trades. So I'm going to click on swipe trades, guys. And when I come in here, as you can see, it was showing a potential trade from the market. This was a day ago. And all of the different educators have different aliases. So that's why it says private. This trade was given by King Leon 992. When you come in here, I'm going to hit this button down at the bottom, and it's telling me the type of trade. It's GBP CAD. The time frame was an hour. Sell by market. Type was an intraday. It shows the session being during the U.S. session being New York session. Has the entry price. Has a stop loss and the take profit. Now, if I wanted to copy and paste these in, the market is closed right now. All I would tip, it gives you notes and comments. It shows the time it was given out. GBP CAD sell market idea 0.01 per 100. Stop loss is 50 pips. But what I want to do, guys, I'm going to come over here. If I wanted to copy and paste this trade, you can see the little button right here. I would click this on my phone. So when I click that, it says data successfully copied. And from there, all I would do is go over to my MT4 and paste that in. Okay, simple as that. Copy and paste it, and the market is closed. But so it's not going to show that. But if I did want to do that, I would look for GBP CAD, hit trade. Then I would paste that in, just showing you guys. Let me just show you whatever like that. I can go and then I can paste the number in like so. Simple as that. And I would do that with each one it gave me. As you can see, I copied and paste those values. As simple as that from inside of here. So now, a few other things you're going to see inside of here, guys. I'm going to come up here. I have the menu button here. If I click on that menu button, it's going to give me different videos that I can go watch right from within the app. November update, new features. So you have that in there. Entering the trade idea, partial profits, swipe trades, order types. You get all of this information in here, right? So I can do that. I'm clicking on here, but I didn't click it on my phone. So also inside of here, you got the different settings, which is showing you what type of trade you can enter. If you want to enter a swipe trade, you got swipe trades plus. Type of trade, position, swing, intraday. I can decide if I want to just say if I'm asleep during London session, I can turn that off so my phone's not dinging. And then it'll only give me alerts for the US session and the Asian session when I'm awake. But if I'm up during London, which I am, I can leave that on as well. Also, you can have email subscription, where I would say if you're going to do email subscription, you want to get an email dedicated exclusively for swipe trades, because those alerts come in back to back to back to back to back. All right. So phone notification, you can have that on or off as well. All right. Now, another thing you'll see inside of here, what else? You got an FAQ section, then you have a search section, which it'll show you inside of search. You can look up, select what trader. These are all the different traders. You can pick which trader you want to look at. You can see results from. Okay. You can do that. And you can select the different type of symbols, the pair to see the results, session, the time period, trade status, and trade type. And you have all of that info right inside of right here. So, and here's the last trade that we looked at right here. That was one from King Leon that came in. That was on November 8th. All right. So, guys, that's swipe trades. Want to show you that really quickly. Still, guys, is definitely still pulling the results for customers. 40 to 50 trades a week. One of the simplest ways to earn is with swipe trades, by simply copying and pasting, getting these alerts directly to your phone via the app and via email, and copy and paste them in, guys, and put yourself in position to profit. So hope you all got some value from this, guys. I appreciate you. If you got value from this video, do me a huge favor and hit the like button, guys. And if you want to be notified anytime I go live with new videos and content, simply hit the bell button up above and you'll be notified. And if you want to see more of my videos and check out more content that I deliver, go ahead and subscribe to my channel.